Welcome back to Gadgets, Gimmicks and Tech, and first of all an apology here really. This box is from a company called Holife, and Cyrus sent this to us quite some time ago, and I have to apologise to him first of all. The delays have been so many in trying to get any videos out over the last few months. We moved house back at the summer of last year, and we had an awful lot of things going wrong here. It's a little small holding with a few acres of land. The previous owners left the place in a real mess. We've also had flooding and other severe weather problems. In fact, only this afternoon I was 25 foot up a scaffold tower trying to repair a skylight on a barn roof. A little bit too dangerous, so that got abandoned, but yeah, we've had a few problems, so my apologies Cyrus, my apologies to Holife and everybody else at Photek, and also amazing for all the delays in the videos that we have got planned. But let's go forward with this particular one. This has been sent to us, as I say, by Holife. It's a cordless vacuum cleaner, and it says it's 7 kPa. Now the kPa refers to pressure or suction. It's something to do with kilopascals, whatever they are. I don't know whether that's a good, bad or indifferent value. But it's a cyclonic suction machine, and it's got a 14.8 volt lithium quick charge battery. It's a wet and dry handheld vacuum cleaner. And the reason we got sent this was we've got these three little monkeys, and they are notorious fur shedders, and so Holife contacted us and said, would you like to try our vacuum cleaner? And I said yes please, because we really could do with a lot of good powerful vacuum, and especially over things like sofas and chairs. So let's open up. We can see there's a very thick user manual. It's in English, Dutch, French, Spanish, Italian and I think Japanese. Not sure, that might be Chinese possibly, I don't know, but in fact probably is Chinese more than anything. So there's a manual there for it. This looks like probably yep, that's a charging base station for it. Let's pull that out, and that comes, that's nice, that actually comes with a proper 3-pin UK plug, which is a nice change rather than having all those horrible adapters that normally come with things from China. So it's got a proper 13 amp plug on there. Very nice. Let's see if we've got anything else in this box. This looks like it's a load of attachments. There's a sort of brush, wire brush there for cleaning out, I would imagine, all the dirty, the dirt and muck that gets into these. So loads of attachments, a filter. So put those to one side, and then let's see. I'll move this cardboard box out the way in a second, and we'll be able to see the actual cleaner properly. Doesn't weigh too much, which is nice, because I'm sure that when using it for a while, if it was too heavy, it would get a bit fatiguing. It's supposed to last. Let's see now. According to this, it says a long battery life. Which should give up to 25 minutes of continuous use on a quick charge, and it takes 4 to 5 hours to charge the battery fully. So that's it. That's rather nice looking. I wonder if it's got any charge in it at all. It's taped up at the moment, so let's just undo this bit of tape. I will put a link in the description to the Amazon page where you can buy this. We've not got any affiliate links or anything like that. We're also going to actually try this out properly once it is charged up properly. Oh yes, there is some power in it already. It does sound quite good. Looks like there's a battery indicator here showing how long a charge it's got. So that does feel quite good. It's got quite a suction to it, so looking good. It's got a HEPA filter with triple filtration system, 3-stage filtration, and it's got great filtering and dust cleaning capabilities. So let's give that a little go in the next video. It's good for the kitchen, stairs, inside of the vehicles, hard to reach corners, wall edges, etc. So you can also attach the little charging station to the wall by all accounts. Not quite sure how to do that at the moment, but we'll have to look into that. But what we'll do is we will charge this up, and in the next video we will give it a go, because it does say it's very good for pet hairs, crumbs, food debris, dog hair, cat hair, cigarette ashes, we don't smoke, paper scraps and other small things at home or in the car. So this is the Holife cordless vacuum cleaner, 7 kPa rating, and the link to where to buy it on Amazon is down in the description. So please come back for the next video, which I'm really hoping to get out a lot quicker than all these other videos that we've had delays on. So once again, apologies to everyone for all the delays. 2020, we're going forward, and we're going to try and start making videos more regularly. But for now, thanks for watching.